Have you ever felt like the years you've spent chasing dreams, working hard, or overcoming challenges have been wasted? It's a common feeling that many of us grapple with at some point in our lives. Yet, what if I told you that the universe has an extraordinary way of balancing out these so-called wasted years? This isn't about giving up or feeling regret. It's about recognizing the hidden value in every moment you've lived and understanding that nothing truly goes to waste. Let's dive deep into this idea and uncover how the universe compensates for the years you might feel were lost. When we reflect on our past, it's easy to see the time we spent on failed projects, unfulfilled relationships, or missed opportunities as lost. However, every experience, whether it brought joy or pain, has contributed to the person you are today. The universe operates on a principle of balance and growth. Even though you might not see it immediately, every effort you put in, every tear you shed, every laugh you shared, adds to your growth and the balance of your life. Think about a tree. It starts as a tiny seed buried in the dark soil. For a long time, it seems as if nothing is happening, but underneath, the seed is absorbing nutrients, stabilizing its roots, and preparing to sprout. This period may appear unproductive, but it's crucial for the tree's development. Similarly, the years you consider wasted are actually periods of preparation, where you're gathering experiences, learning lessons, and building a foundation for future growth. The universe has a way of compensating for these times by bringing unexpected opportunities, new relationships, and fresh beginnings into our lives. Often, these come when we least expect them. It's important to remain open and receptive to these gifts. When you start seeing life with this perspective, you realize that those wasted years were laying the groundwork for something greater. Now, let's talk about some practical ways to embrace this idea. First, practice gratitude. It might sound cliché, but acknowledging the good in your life, even when things seem grim, changes your outlook. By focusing on what you have rather than what's missing, you shift your energy and attract positive experiences. Make it a habit to list things you're grateful for daily. Over time, you'll notice how this simple practice transforms your perception. Secondly, learn from your past. Reflect on your experiences and identify the lessons they taught you. Maybe a failed business venture taught you resilience, or a broken relationship showed you the importance of self-love. These lessons are invaluable and are part of your compensation from the universe. They equip you with wisdom and strength for future endeavors. Another powerful practice is visualization. Spend time each day picturing your ideal life. See yourself achieving your goals, surrounded by love and success. Visualization helps program your mind to recognize and seize opportunities that align with your dreams. It's like creating a mental blueprint for the universe to follow. While you're practicing gratitude, learning from your past, and visualizing your future, don't forget to take action. The universe meets you halfway, but you need to move towards your goals. Set clear, achievable steps and work consistently towards them. Remember, small steps taken consistently lead to significant progress over time. It's also essential to forgive yourself. Holding on to guilt or regret about past decisions only weighs you down. Understand that you did the best you could with the knowledge and resources you had at the time. Self-forgiveness is liberating and opens up space for new opportunities to flow into your life. Connection with others plays a crucial role in how the universe compensates us. Building and nurturing relationships can lead to unforeseen opportunities and support. Surround yourself with positive, like-minded individuals who uplift and inspire you. These connections can serve as catalysts for personal and professional growth. Don't underestimate the power of helping others. When you give your time, resources, or support to those in need, you create a ripple effect of positive energy. The universe often compensates you through the joy and fulfillment that comes from making a difference in someone else's life. Acts of kindness return to you in ways you might not immediately see, enriching your life and adding to your overall well-being. It's important to cultivate patience. Understand that the universe operates on its own timeline, not ours. Sometimes, the compensation for your efforts and struggles might take longer to materialize than you'd like. Trust that everything is unfolding as it should, and maintain faith in the process. Patience allows you to stay calm and centered, even when things aren't going as planned. Embrace the concept of continuous learning. The universe rewards those who are curious and willing to expand their knowledge and skills. Commit to lifelong learning, whether through formal education, reading, or new experiences. This not only keeps your mind sharp, but also opens doors to new opportunities and paths you might not have considered before. Your intuition is a powerful tool that the universe uses to guide you. Pay attention to your gut feelings and inner voice. Often, these are nudges from the universe, directing you towards choices and actions that align with your highest good. Learning to trust and act on your intuition can lead you to experiences that feel incredibly rewarding and aligned with your true self. Maintaining a positive mindset is crucial. Your thoughts and beliefs shape your reality. If you believe that the universe will compensate you for your efforts and struggles, you're more likely to notice and attract positive outcomes. Practice affirmations and surround yourself with positive influences. This will help you cultivate a mindset that aligns with abundance and possibility. Remember, the universe compensates you not just in material ways, but also through emotional and spiritual growth. As you navigate through life, you're becoming more resilient, compassionate, and wise. These qualities enrich your life and the lives of those around you. They are priceless gifts that often come from the most challenging experiences. In times of doubt, reflect on your past achievements and how far you've come. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small. Recognize that every step forward, no matter how tiny, is a victory. By acknowledging your growth, you reinforce the belief that the universe is indeed compensating you, and this belief will continue to attract positive experiences. It's also beneficial to engage in practices that align your energy with the universe, such as meditation, mindfulness, or yoga. These practices help you stay grounded and connected to the present moment, making it easier to recognize the universe's compensations. They also promote inner peace, which is a fertile ground for attracting positive experiences. Understand that setbacks are not failures but stepping stones. Each setback teaches you something valuable and prepares you for future success. When you start viewing challenges as opportunities for growth, you shift your mindset from one of lack to one of abundance. This shift in perspective is a powerful way to attract the universe's compensation. Surround yourself with uplifting and motivational content. Read books, watch videos, or listen to podcasts that inspire and empower you. The more you immerse yourself in positive and growth-oriented material, the more you'll reinforce the belief that the universe is working in your favor. This continuous reinforcement helps you stay focused and motivated. Remember, the universe operates on a principle of reciprocity. The energy you put out into the world comes back to you. If you approach life with a positive, giving, and grateful attitude, you'll attract similar energy back into your life. It's a simple but powerful concept that can transform your experiences and outcomes. As you move forward, keep in mind that your story is unique. Your experiences, struggles, and triumphs are all part of a larger tapestry that the universe is weaving. Every thread, no matter how insignificant it might seem, contributes to the beauty and complexity of your life. Trust that the universe recognizes your efforts and is constantly working to balance out your experiences in ways that benefit you. It's also essential to practice self-care. Taking time to nurture your physical, emotional, and mental well-being is crucial. When you take care of yourself, you signal to the universe that you value and respect your own well-being. This self-respect attracts positive energy and experiences into your life, further compensating for any hardships you faced. Reflect on the idea that everything happens for a reason. While some events might seem random or unfair, they often lead to unexpected benefits and lessons. Embracing this belief can help you stay optimistic and open to the universe's compensations, even when faced with challenges. Finally, remember that the universe's compensation might not always come in the form you expect. It could be an unexpected opportunity, a new relationship, or a sudden insight that changes your perspective. Stay open to the myriad ways the universe can balance out your experiences and bring fulfillment into your life. In conclusion, the universe has a profound way of compensating for the years you might feel were wasted. By recognizing the hidden value in every experience, practicing gratitude, learning from your past, visualizing your future, taking action, forgiving yourself, building connections, helping others, cultivating patience, engaging in continuous learning, trusting your intuition, maintaining a positive mindset, celebrating your progress, engaging in grounding practices, viewing setbacks as stepping stones, surrounding yourself with motivational content, understanding the principle of reciprocity, appreciating your unique story, practicing self-care, reflecting on the meaning of events, and staying open to unexpected compensations, you align yourself with the universe's natural balance and growth. So the next time you look back and feel like those years were wasted, remember that they were laying the groundwork for something incredible. Trust in the process and know that the universe is always working in your favor, compensating you in ways that enrich and elevate your life. Embrace this belief and watch as your life transforms in beautiful, unexpected ways.